Hi everyone, and welcome to this new tutorial from Lutz Marketing. I'm Anna, and today we are diving into a simple but powerful tool to organize your work for maximum clarity. Task or projects labels. Labels are visual tags that help you categorize tasks at a glance. We'll cover what they are, where to find them, and how to build an effective labeling strategy for your team. We will be using Trello for the purpose of this video. If you are new to Trello or need a refresher on the basics, I have an introductory video. The link should be appearing on the screen, otherwise it will be in the description. And if you want to explore advanced features like inbox and planner integration to integrate your emails and calendars to Trello, you can find the link to that video too. Now, I have a special gift for you. You can download the exact Trello board template I will be using today, complete with lists, cards, and a pre-configured labeling system for free. Just click the link in the description box. It follows the Kanban method and is ready to use. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at a sample card. When you open a card, you'll see the word Labels right underneath the title, next to the Add button. Let's do a mouse over and click Open Label. Here, you will see all the labels that are currently available in the board. But what happens when you start a completely new board? As you can see here, we are opening a test card I just created. The default colors are there, but all the labels are unassigned. Here is my suggestion. Create labels based on the type of card, priority, and type of activity. I'll give you some base proposals to start with, but the goal is to customize them so that just by seeing the color, you instantly know what kind of task it is. Let's set them up. When you are in the Label menu, just click the pencil icon next to the color you want. For this green one, we will assign a new title, for example, Test. Then Save. If you don't like the default colors, you can simply create a brand new label. Open the menu, assign a title, and save it. And a very important accessibility feature. If you or someone on your team is colorblind, you can activate the colorblind mode right here at the bottom for clearer patterns. The important thing is that when you assign a label, it isn't just visible inside the card. It's visible directly on the main board view for instant clarity. Once you are in the main board, you can look at the lists and cards within your lists and look for specific labels. Or you can click on the filter icon, scroll down the list, and just filter by specific labels. The dashboard will now show only your selection. Here is the go-to system I suggest, which works great for marketing but is adaptable to any team. First, we use colors for the type of card. Purple for descriptive cards, like instructions. Pink for cards involving external partners or agencies. Bold yellow for internal projects. Next, the most common hack, priority. Red for what is urgent or high priority. Light yellow for things that are non-priority. Finally, for marketing activities, here are proposals for specific types of activity. CRM, advertising, content, CMS, analytics, social, SEO. Trello allows you to use up to 1,000 labels per board. Honestly, in my over 10 years working with project management systems in very large multinational companies, I have never even come close to that limit. While it's fun to use colors, my advice is do not use too many labels. If you have hundreds of labels, it becomes incredibly difficult to understand what's happening. It can even be counterproductive when it comes to analyzing your data later, because you have too many variables to sort through. Start with the basic strategy I just outlined. Use it, customize it if useful, and then expand only in a very thoughtful and careful way. Define your goals for why you want to use a specific label. To help you with this, in the free template you can download, I have included a specific card that explains the entire labeling strategy used on that board. My advice is always to make the strategy transparent within your board and with the people you share it with, so everyone is clear on what they are, why they exist, and how to use them. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember, the link to the free Trello template is in the description, and the links to my other Trello videos will appear on the screen now. If you need help implementing this, feel free to contact me. This video is part of the Marketing Tips series I organized to make marketing easier for freelancers, founders, and small marketing teams. If you found this video useful, please press like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your colleagues and friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.